Hello again. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to use a pole spear or Hawaiian sling. I really like these because they're allowed in most countries, whereas for example spear guns, a lot of countries don't allow you to use them, especially in the Pacific. You want to take the end of the elastic, hook it on your finger like this, and then slowly pull your hand up and grab further and further along the pole. Once you have it really tight, you can slowly let go of this hand and it should shoot. Now you've learned how to use it, you can now learn how to maintain it. On the end of the spear pole, always keep the cap on. This will stop yourself getting injured by the spear pole and stop it scratching against anything when it's in storage. Always unscrew it to stop it seizing up and causing it to rust. Once you unscrew it, remember to put fresh water in the holes and on the rim. Sometimes it can also be useful to add a lubricant on the end of the screw-on point, as that will stop it from seizing up. Thank you for watching this video. We just passed 60 subscribers and the next milestone is 100, and I can't wait for it to pass that. Let's try to get this video to 10 likes, and if you didn't know, I also have an Instagram. Thanks again for watching.